Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Now I need to import it, right? Yeah. I will duplicate the screen. And the same process we need to follow from the provisioning for all the data models, right? So foundation. Import, export copy data model. Import, export copy data model. I am clicking on just a minute. Okay. So what I will do? I will just choose the file. I am still audible. Yes, please. I will choose the file from the folder where I have saved it. Data model. This one. This is the file, right? This is the file. Okay, this is the original file. This is the version which we have changed. I select this file. Without comment. I cannot able to import it. If I import it also, it will throw us an error. So I have to mention. So what I will mention? I will mention. Changes made in the foundation. Object F4, right. Which object? Location group. Location group. And fields, right. Okay. This, I have done it. And I have attached it. So now you can see the extension. Also, it is showing as an XML, right? So it should come when you are saving. Also, it should be assured that it should be in the XML, so just click on Import. Copper data model has been uploaded successfully. Okay. So now, once it has been done, go back into the. Just refresh the page here. After refreshing the page, again, go to manage our job pay structure. Okay. Just go to you can see. First of all, it is get changed, can you see here? We have changed the label, right. Location group. Yeah. Now when we are going, if we want to go and see the field. Let's see the field. The field also. It is coming, right. Location, group ID. Underscore name. Can you see here? Okay. The to custom field. We have hidden it. So that is also not showing. Yeah, right. And third custom field which we created, that is showing here. Okay, any questions here? No. Is it clear how we are doing? Now. I have shown you now how to remove the changes. I will just try to import the original one. Okay. And I will just try to import it. Okay, go back here, refresh this page once. And I will open this one, that is. Manage our job pay structure. And when I go into location. Now you can see it went back to normal. Yeah. So I am selecting it. You can see it went back to normal. Got it. Yeah. Okay. So in this way we can able to work on the XML. Earlier, this was not available after October 2021. This option is available in the front end, where we can able to export the XML and then we can able to create a copy of it. Work on the XML. Do the changes. And for doing the changes I have shown you both the method source and the table also. Both methods I have shown you. For whichever you are comfortable, you can make the changes and the association also. From the FO, whichever is connected. That also we can do it. Okay. Any questions here? For the corporate data model. No. I'm good. Okay. Now the second data model is the succession data model, but succession data model, there is no option that succession data model we can able to access from the front end. So what SAP has done? They introduced a new feature that is known as a managed business configuration. Okay. What is the name of the feature? Managed business configuration. So yeah. So let me go into the Excel and just cover up some part of the theoretical so that we will go into the system. Okay. Let's go. Okay. So now you can able to see managed business configuration. So managed business configuration is a tool which is used in the front end as a part of extended part of succession data model. Okay. Although succession data model we are unable to use the succession data model from the front end. So only certified consultants can able to access the succession data model. Okay. How we have used the corporate data model from the front end. Similarly, we need to use the succession data model from the back-end system. But SAP has also introduced a new feature that is known as a managed business configuration, which is an extended part of succession data model. So what is this feature? We will see. Managed business configuration is also known as BCUI. Okay. That is Business Configuration UI. Some part of the succession data model has been migrated from the provisioning to the instance. Okay. Some part of the succession data model has been migrated from the provisioning to the instance. We, as end user or admin, can make the minor changes of the field in the employee profile or in the people profile with the help of the BCUI. So employee profile is also known as people profile. Okay, so whenever you are making some changes, you want to make the changes in term of succession, in term of the employee-related field. Rather going into succession data.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.